In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Trello. Let's dive right into it, making sure that your Trello boards can be even more organized and tailored exactly to your project's needs. First, you'll need to log in to Trello on your desktop or through the web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the specific board where you want to introduce these custom fields. This board is the cornerstone for organizing your tasks, and you'll be enhancing its functionality today. The next step involves enabling the custom fields power-up, a crucial feature to unlock additional customization. On your selected board, locate the board menu and click on Power-ups, or alternatively, find and click the Power-ups icon located at the top of the board interface. With the Power-ups menu open, search for Easy Fields. This is the tool that will allow you to expand the interactive elements of your Trello cards. Once you find it, click Add to enable it for your board. This step makes sure that you can now create fields that are specific to the demands of your project. Now that the power-up is enabled, it's time to decide which card you want to enhance. Click to open a card that you wish to add custom fields to. Cards in Trello represent individual tasks or items, so choose one that would benefit from additional details or categorization. After opening your chosen card, look towards the card menu and click on Custom Fields. This section is where the magic happens, allowing you to start crafting your unique fields. You'll be welcomed with various options such as text, number, checkbox, date, and drop-down fields. Let's explore these options a bit. If your aim is to input words, names, or short notes, selecting the text field is ideal. If you're dealing with statistics or keeping track of quantities, a number field would seamlessly fit your needs. Next, for binary decisions like yes or no, or tracking completed tasks, the checkbox option is your go-to. For scheduling and deadline purposes, employ the date field to enhance clarity around timelines. Finally, if you need users to choose from a set of options, the drop-down field is perfect for providing a list of predefined choices. Once you've decided on the type of field that best complements your task, proceed to give it a descriptive name. Naming helps ensure that other users understand the purpose of the field at a glance. Finally, when you're satisfied with your selections and configurations, click Save. Your new custom field is now a part of your card, ready to start capturing valuable information and enhance your Trello experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding custom fields to your Trello boards. This powerful feature not only helps in categorizing and tracking your projects more effectively, but also brings a level of customization that can truly elevate your productivity.